Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Acadia headlight bulb. This is a straightforward task you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. First, make sure you have the right replacement bulb for your specific Acadia model. Checking your owner's manual is always a good idea. You will also need a T20 Torx driver and a flat blade screwdriver. Safety first, so consider wearing gloves and safety glasses. Now, let's get to that bulb. To gain easy access, turn your steering wheel all the way towards the side opposite the headlight you are working on. Next, locate and remove the T20 Torx screws holding the inner fender well liner in place. There are typically about 4 to 6 of these screws. Once they are out, gently pull back the wheel well liner. This will give you a clear view of the back of the headlight assembly. With the headlight assembly exposed, you will see a black plastic dust cap. Rotate this cap 1/4 turn counterclockwise and remove it. Now, carefully grasp the old bulb, twist it 1/4 turn counterclockwise, and pull it straight out. Disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Connect the electrical connector, insert the new bulb, and rotate it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it into place. Almost done. Reinstall the black plastic dust cap by rotating it 1/4 turn clockwise until it's snug. Then, push the wheel well liner back into its proper position and replace all the T20 Torx screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm that your new bulb is working perfectly. You should now have bright, clear illumination for safe driving. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.